Are you looking for the best serger for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best serger for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Brother 1034D Serger. This model of serger is equipped with a lay-in thread system along with lower looper threader. Not only does it deliver professional results, it also works wonderfully on a good range of fabrics including formal wear, linens, and knits etc. With this serger unit, you will be able to create narrow sleeves, spaghetti straps, decorative edges, ruffles, laces, and much more. With its 22 built-in stitch functions, 4-thread overlock, 3-thread overlock, specialty stitch functions for bridal and formal wear, ribbon lock stitches, rolled hem, tape applications, home decor, crafts, and heirloom etc., this model is one of its kinds. Complete in all the aspects, Brother 1034D makes sure to deliver exceptional results. For even and professional stitches on knitted, thin, and stretchy fabrics, the differential fabric feed comes in use. When you buy this model, you can purchase optional presser feet to sew flat lock stitches and blind hem pin tuck. To give you ease while working, the machine is equipped with a free arm flatbed convertible sewing surface. Since it is easy to thread, learn, and use, this unit comes with instructional manual and video. With 2 snap-on feet, soft cover, needles, foot controller, you will get best quality results. To sew the fabric perfectly, standard sewing machine needles are used. At number 2, Serger 14CG754 ProFinish Serger. Serger has hit the horizons with its latest serger machine and has set an exceptional benchmark in the industry. The machine has differential feed which is fully adjustable to create perfect seams on all types of fabrics. There is no puckering issue with this machine and the results are pretty good. It is capable of preventing the fabric trimming while sewing. Having the potential to sew 1300 stitches per minute, the results are quick and fast. No matter what the project is, you will easily skip through given its fastest speed. Moreover, this model allows for adjustable tension when you sew a variety of fabrics. With a simple turn on a knob, the stitch length and width can be adjusted. Not only does it deliver professional results, it also provides a wide selection of stitch options. It is equipped with color-coded lay-in threading system to make threading easiest. If you want to sew different types of stitches like rolled hems, sewing seams, finishing raw edges, flat locking, blind hems etc., it allows for that due to its 2, 3, 4 thread capability. This serger lets you sew cuffs and sleeves with optional free arm. It has 4 built-in rolled hems to make sewing an effortless process and the easy access lever moves the stitch finger in position. At number 3, Brother 1034D 3/4 Thread Serger. The Brother 1034D 3/4 Thread Serger comes with a number of accessories and is very easy to use and to set up. At this price point, not many machines claim to offer the finishing quality or the features that Brother has managed to bundle up in this powerful and useful serger. It also comes with a 25-year warranty, a testament to the quality and durability of the machine. Another factor that goes in the favor of the Brother machine is the number of accessories on offer. There are tweezers, 4 spool nets, a set of needles, and a cleaning brush as standard with this serger. Further, you also get a trim trap. Bear in mind, however, that you cannot use the machine as is. You will need to oil the serger before using it for the first time. Also note that this machine does not work in areas which do not have 120-volt supply. The width of this device's capabilities is simply outstanding. From knitted material to linens, and even formal attire, nothing is beyond the purview of this serger. You can easily put in ruffles and join laces. Using this device is joy, and setting up does not take more than a few minutes at worst. At number 4, Serger 14SH764. The brand has been producing quality machines for so long, it's become second nature, and it's become very difficult for the competition to compete, even though they try to offer the same mix of reliability, user experience, and comfort. Serger outdoes itself with every new machine, and this is no different. Our experience with this machine has been nothing short of miraculous. It comes with a whole host of features like automatic tension and the ability to choose from rolled hems, blind hems, flat locking stitches and many more options based on your preferences. The machine is incredibly easy to set up, given the color-coded threading system. Using it is a joy as we've come to expect out of Serger, delivering a quality experience on hems, stitches, and ruffles. To smoothen out ruffled and uneven surfaces, the differential fabric feed comes in to make your life much easier. The variable stitch length and width ensure a great experience. Portable and extremely easy to move around. Differential fabric feed makes it very easy to deal with puckered fabric. The sheer number of accessories which come with Serger machines is unbeatable. At number 5. Brother Designio DZ1234. In our time with the product, Brother's expertise in designing a serger showed in many places. The color-coded threading makes it so much easier to get started and to keep track of threads. The various kinds of feet controls also make it a wonderful addition to those who are adept at managing work with feet. A wonderful addition to the repertoire of any seamstress. As always, we recommend having a list of things you desire from your serger of choice ready before you go out there and get a serger. These can range from differential fabric feed, to stitching speed, the length and width of the stitch, and most importantly, determine which kinds of fabric you deal with beforehand.